Imagine being able to know what your brain will be like in 10 years. With genetic technology, it's no longer dreams, it's science. Our brain is full of mysteries, but some of the mysteries are hidden within our genes. When genes change, the brain paths can change too. Alzheimer's disease, when memories slowly fade away. Parkinson's disease, when movement and balance become difficult. Autism, when the brain creates its own world. Epilepsy, when brain waves suddenly turn into a storm. Multiple sclerosis, when the immune system attacks the brain itself. Huntington's disease, a rare but deeply genetic condition. Biogenetic Laboratory in Muscat is at your service by providing genetic counseling services and genetic tests.